In this video, I'm going to show you how you could add decimal sums. For example, like question that you can find on Flamingo 1 on page 45. Okay, so first of all, 4.73, figure out that this is your unit rod, so that is 4, and to the right will be the first decimal place, the 10th decimal place, which is at 7, 0.7, and then at 3. And then next thing, you need to take away 0.94. 0.90 should be here, but then you haven't got enough, so you always borrow a 10 and add 1 back. Think of it like 10 and unit, 10 and unit. And then you need to take away 4 from here, but you haven't got enough, so the only way is to borrow a 10 and add 6 back, isn't it? To take away 4, you need to take away 10, add 6 back. Next thing then we need to do is to add 4.8, so 4 is the unit. To add 4 is at 5, take away 1. To add 0.8 here, you cannot fit in 0.8. There isn't enough. So the only way is to add 10, take away 2. And then that's it. And the next one to add 3 here. 3.82. Add 3 on the unit. So to add 3 you can't. So bring 7 to go into 10. Okay? So 7 and 3 makes 10. And then to add 8, you cannot put in 0.8 in here. The 10th place. So you need to take away 2. Take away 5 at 3. Add 10. Or take away 0.2 at 1 actually. Okay, and then add 2. To add 0.02 here, this is the hundredths place. You need to take away 8 and then go next door at the 10. So then next one, we need to add 1.44. So to add 1 here is straightforward, add 1. To add 0.4 is at 5, take away 1. So basically, just keep on recalling how you would add number to the 5 and to the 10. That's all you need to do. To add 0.4, to add 0.04, again, there aren't enough because there are only 0.03 left. So the only way is to bring 5 and take away 1. And the answer is 13.85. I'm going to demonstrate another question, which is the number 2. You need to add 4.31. Yeah. And then take away 0.39. To take away 0.3 is easy. There isn't enough. There is enough to take away from. But the 0.09, you haven't got enough. So what do? You need to borrow a 10, but there isn't any. So you borrow a 10 by doing that. Okay? And then add 1 back. And then now take away 1.3. And then to take away 0.03, you haven't got enough, so borrow a 10, add 7 back. And then now you need to add 3. Add 3, add 5, take away 2. And then to add 0.5 is take away 5 at 10. And then add 4 is take away 6 at 10. Then the last number you need to add is 4.84. So you need to put 4 there on that column 80.8. 0.04 here. So to add 4 is take away 6 at 10. 0.8 is straightforward. And then 0.04 is bring the 5 down, take away 1. So the answer is 10.97.